How to install Python and PyCharm. Let's install Python. Firstly, open this website and click on the latest Python version to download. Once the download is finished, double-click to open it and follow the instructions on the screen. Click Continue and then Agree, and then click on Install and put your MacOs password to authorize. Wait for the process and click OK. After validating packages and writing files, it will finish the installation process. Click on the Close button and finally click on Move to bin. Let's install PyCharm. First of all, open website name JetBrains and go to PyCharm download page. Here we will download the PyCharm Community Edition and wait for the download to finish. Once the download is finished, double-click to open it and drag it to the application folder. Wait for the process to finish. Now click on the search and type PyCharm and click to open it. After the verification done, it will open up the newly installed PyCharm.